Underwater, severe flooding continues to wreak havoc in the US state of Louisiana and has claimed a third life. Roads resemble rivers after heavy rains unleashed unprecedented torrents of water. More than 1,000 people have been evacuated from their homes so far. And amid the chaos and confusion, a dramatic rescue of a woman and her dog in Baton Rouge.
Give me a knife, give me a knife. Give me a knife.
Oh my God, I'm drowning.
We're coming, we're coming. I'm gonna break this window. We're breaking the window. Do you have a knife? Do you have a knife? You do that. Tell me if you have a knife. I'll find it.
Oh, that's mine. Give a dog.
Your dog.
Give a dog.
Here.
I
got your dog. Oh!
Oh, you.
Go to the boat. Go to the boat.